Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with an unlocked screen in League of Legends. First, understand that an unlocked camera gives you complete control over your perspective, letting you see more of the map than just your immediate surroundings. This freedom is crucial for advanced play, offering a significant advantage in spotting enemy movements and planning your next move. It's a fundamental shift from the default locked camera. To begin, simply move your mouse cursor to the edges of your screen to pan the camera around. This allows you to explore the map beyond your champion's immediate vicinity. If you ever lose track of your champion, a quick press and hold of the spacebar will instantly snap the camera back to them. You can also fine-tune your camera movement speed in the game settings to match your personal preference. Beyond basic movement, an unlocked camera empowers advanced techniques. Use the F keys from F1 through F5 to instantly jump your camera to each of your allies, gaining crucial information about their lane state. This also allows you to pan to important objectives like Dragon or Baron, giving you a strategic overview. With better vision, you can significantly improve the accuracy of your long-range skill shots. Transitioning to an unlocked camera takes time and practice. Begin by playing a few custom games or bot matches to get comfortable with the controls without pressure. Gradually integrate this new camera style into your normal games. Don't get discouraged if it feels awkward at first. Consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your map awareness and overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.